Shopify Metafields tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about Shopify's Metafields. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know what Metafields are, let me just show you. If I open up my Shopify store in another tab and I go to, let's go over here. With the help of Metafields, we can add a bunch of stuff to it. We can add different descriptions. We can add, let's say, tags over here. I haven't added them, but I'll show you how you can add them. We can add, descriptions or videos within descriptions, right? So we can do a lot of cool stuff with Metafields, just to make our store stand out just a little bit, right? So let's get into it. Now, when you log into your Shopify store, you want to go ahead and go into the settings section. And if you click on the settings section, you're going to see you have a bunch of different options. Here, you want to come over here into custom data. You click on custom data, and here you're going to find Metafields right here. Now you can see we can add Metafields into almost any option. So we got product Metafields, variants Metafields, collection Metafields, customers, orders, a bunch of different options, and we can add different Metafields into it, right? You can see Metafield definition. I've already added a definition, but you can go ahead. So if I click on product, you can see I have this Metafield within the video editing, right? So here, if I open it up, you can see I just named it video. Description is going to be video. This is going to be the namespace and keys. Don't have to worry about that. And you can add this Metafields within the editor. So for example, if I have my store open up right here, close it up, and I'll go into online store and go into theme section and open up the editor. So if I click on customize, I'll open the customization tool or the editor in another tab. If I come over here and I go into the description, let's say, of this product, and I come over here on the left hand side, I click on add section, or actually come over here underneath template and click on add block or add section. You can see I will have if I click on add block, you can see I have, where did it go? You will find it right here. As you can see, this is the Metafield right here. So I've already added it. I forgot about it. You can see it right here that I have added it over here. To add different videos within the Metafields, you go into the product section and go into classic leather, go into the product that you have, and you will find the Metafields down below. So you can see I have the Metafield right here. This is the video one. I had just added the video description over here, which was this one right here. I just copied the embedded code. So for example, if I come over here, click on share, click on embed, copy it, and there we go. I can just paste that code back here in the video section, as you can see, and then in the editor I have the video right here. Now it's a little bit over there, but that's okay because there is a code to actually go ahead and center it over here, but I hadn't added that. But this is just an example to let you know what you can do with Metafields, right? So here you can see right here, you have to add the custom liquid code right here, and you can find it right here. This is the code. You just add 2 flower brackets, and then you add a space, and then you add product.metafields, and this is going to be the Metafield key, which you can find right here. If you go into settings, go into custom data, go into the product section or wherever it is, go into the Metafield itself, and give it a couple of seconds. It's loading up. And here you can see whatever namespace you want, it'll say custom.video, right? When you create a Metafield, that's how it's going to look like. So now you know what Metafields are and how you can create them and how you can implement them. Let's go ahead and create some new Metafields. So again, to create a Metafield, go into settings, go into custom data, and here you will see you have a bunch of different ones. Now each of them will have their own Metafields, and then you would have to apply them. If you select product Metafields, then you'll have to add that Metafield to that specific product. If you go with customers, you can add customer ones. Orders are going to be over here, blog posts and everything, right? So let's say we want to add a product Metafield. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And then when we're going to click on product and then click on add definition, in definition, you're going to add the name of the Metafields. If it's a chart Metafield, you can add the chart. If it's a video, you can add a video. If it's a whatever it is, you can add that, right? Whatever name you want. So let's say it's a video Metafield, right? So we add the name, then we have the custom video. There we go. It's already taken. So we'll just say video 2 because I already created one. Just to be safe, I'm going to add it 2. And then on the description, you can type whatever description you want and then select the type. And here you can select file type. Before that, I just selected the multi-line text. Therefore, I had to do it another way. This is the second way. So you select the file type. You can have a list of files or one file, depends on you. I'll select one file and then unselect images and select videos. So here you have to understand the file size must be under 1 GB and the formats are MOV and MP4, right? And then you can read the options over here. Storefront accessibility definition is available in your online store. Click on read, you can add that, but whatever. Then we'll click on save. There we go. We got another video to option. Now to actually implement the Metafields, go into products. So we go into products and it's going to load up. And here we're going to go into checkered red shirt. And within it, we're going to come down here. We got the Metafields and we're going to select Metafields and select the video and then just simply upload the video if you already have one. I already have uploaded the video, so I'm going to select the video, click on done, click on save, and there we go. We all have a video uploaded to the Metafields. Now, let's see how it looks like within the video editor, right? So over here, I'm going to go back into storefront, go into the checkered red shirt and see how it would look like. Here, what you want to do is come over here onto the left-hand side. So to add it over here, you can see we don't have any real option to actually add it over here. Like, if you come over here onto the left-hand side, onto the product section, you can see you have a bunch of different options. If I click on add block, you can see I don't have a specific element that I can use to add the video, right? You can use the custom liquid option, but again, you would have to add other codes, but I recommend going with this one. It's a lot more easier and a lot more cleaner. So to do that, we're going to add a new section. So we're going to come over here onto the left-hand side where you're going to close this one, right? We're going to click on add section. Sorry, that's the header. We're going to click on add section and we already have this one. Let me see what this is. Yeah, so we'll just delete this. We're going to click on add section. And here I want to add image with text. Image with text. Where did it go? Like this one, we're going to add that. And this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good, right? And I want to flip it so that we have it on this side and I'll move it up as well, like here. And I'll move it over here. So let's give that over there, put it over here like that, and actually make these text in the center. Now we have that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on image with text and come over here onto the right hand side. If you click on connect dynamic source, you will see we have video 2 option. This is the option that we added over here in the Metafields, right? Video 2. Now we have selected that and we can see we have the video right here. It should play on its own, and then we can go ahead and save it, and we can change the text to whatever we want. Totally depends on you. You can even add images like this as well, but this is one way you can implement Metafields within your Shopify store. And then actually I'll go into another section and actually see whether or not it's working or not. It should work, but it is what it is. Sometimes it takes a while to load up, but it is what it is. So yeah. After that, you can again add other stuff to it, other Metafields like a chart Metafields. Depends on you. You can add a ratings Metafield as well. Totally depending on you how you want to implement them. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you can add Metafields within your Shopify product. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.